All right.
All right,
So,
Ruby.
Yeah, Ruby. She's currently new to keto, looking for new recipes. Is there a difference between keto recipes and those recipes that are labeled low carb? That's a really great question, because there are a lot of low carb versus keto recipes out there. And on our website, Casual Keto Doctor, or that Instagram site, we can assure you that they are all keto, because yes, there is a difference between low carb and ketogenic.
Yeah, so on the Dr. Simonds Metabolics and Weight Loss site, simonsmetabolics.com, we have recipes on there, and they're easy to find. But also on Instagram, at the Casual Keto Doctor, right? There is a ton. And we have, Mr. Producer, I think we got about 7,800 followers at my last check of that site. So a lot of people use those recipes, and they're fantastic. They're really, I find them easy to make, accompanied by great pictures, good tips. And so, if you're looking for an idea of just about, nearly 8,000 followers, just about anything, whether it's a sweet thing, a savory thing, you can find it on that Casual Keto Doctor Instagram site. You'll see my picture up there and recognize me, and you'll know that's the one. You won't find better recipes and better pictures of the stuff anywhere else.
This is true.
Yeah.
This is true. It's pretty fantastic.
Yeah. So the idea, look, in theory, low carb should be, I always say, I really kind of resent these kind of terms, because they really get people confused. The bottom line is, comes down to carbohydrate restriction. So true low carb recipes are fine with me, whether or not they have a certain amount of fat or not. And that's where the kind of dividing line is with most of the quote keto crowd, the low carb crowd. They all restrict carbohydrate. The keto crowd uses a higher fat approach. I don't really care whether it's higher fat or not. I care whether you're eating flour and sugar and all these refined and processed things that are bad for your body. I don't want that point to go unnoticed. That's the problem. We got to get it out. Then if your taste buds and so forth take you to more of a ketogenic high fat diet, well, great, go for it. But if you don't like that much fat, fine. It's okay if you're higher protein. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So the emails. Yeah, the emails. If you're on our email list, don't just discard them. I know you get them several times a week. Okay.
There's good stuff in there.
Yeah, keto recipes on Tuesday.
Tasty Keto
Tuesday. And there's always a good one highlighted in there. So on Tuesday, open up the email. Yeah.
Check out
hand down. If you think the rest of it's a bunch of garbage, fine. Use it to line your bird cage. But look at that recipe, okay?
Yeah, we can't always trust when a recipe says it's low carb on the internet. But on the emails, on Casual Keto Doctor on Instagram, you can definitely guarantee it is perfect for what you're looking for if you're doing it.